here at Sparkburn. Very bulletproof. Welding, 10 gallon. All that fabrication.
Welcome to Sparkburn Hotrods YouTube channel.
Wednesday, June 19th. Welcome back to Sparkburn Hotrods. Today I'm going to be working on the Blazer, getting door panels on, just kind of trying to finish up the interior and all that, so we're a little bit closer to going home. Jack's going to be working on the Nova back there, getting body work done and all that good stuff, and James will be working on old Brownie here. Door panels on, so
Yeah.
a little less laying around.
Oh, I know what it was the door panels. Yeah, that's what I called you, because he was bitching his hand. I know they're here, we're like...
Burning holes in the carpet so that way we can actually bolt the seats down, because new carpets don't come with any holes in them for seats and seat belts.
Why? Find the holes?
What?
Find the holes?
Yeah, I put the bolts in.
Building seat risers.
Duh.
At least that's the plan. We'll see.
That's what was in it. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, one of these is different than that.
It's got a 32 and a 16, or is it a 24 and a 16? Somewhere in that area. We just need to go forward with it. Want a tape measure?
I was gonna say, if you hand me the plates that we're gonna cut down, I can just take a Sharpie and mark them where the holes line on.
Okay. You already have it out, didn't you?
No, there's just 4 screws along the bottom. How about that? Those look like they line up with the holes.
It's a fan?
That's exactly what they line
Oh, I
up with.
forgot I bought that motherfucker.
So as of right now, I'm working on putting that center console in, and I just set it down in here and I just marked where all the bolts are gonna go through. Now I'm gonna heat up this screwdriver, burn through the carpet, so that way I can drill through the floor so we can actually get it bolted down.
I'm gonna go get an impact. This is gonna take too long. What size is that?
Well, the only thing is you're just not, I don't think you're gonna be able to get one, well, you might be able to get one on the front. I don't know.
I'll get it. What size is that?
7/16.
I'll get it. That lid doesn't go very high.
I know, that was kind of like, ah.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Go straight ahead of that one.
Said straight ahead of it?
Straight ahead, yep. We're fixing the hood. So when this thing was hanging when we painted it the first time, you couldn't see this stuff right here. So it's got light spots in there, so we have to go through it and spray that stuff. But to spray that stuff, funky music. Actually, Jack, we might have to do this right here too. I just noticed that right here. You see down in there? I don't know. We just spray the whole bottom side and put this on it. Except for this. Sure. You know what I mean? What do you think? Just because of that, I don't want to have you do it again. Let's just do that. Alright, we need a 9/16.
I got it, sorry.
We need to do it back with a wrench, don't we? Yeah. You need a ratchet. Oh, you got that? Okay. Yeah. We need Jeff to hold the front of it. Where'd he go?
Outside to burn that trash.
Come back in. We need somebody to hold the front, and you're not tall enough.
Price like you're easy.
He's back. Okay, Jeff, grab the front edge of this hood, please. Scuffy.
What'd you sand with?
Well, we're just scuffing this because this is just going to be clear, but we got a little light on color. The way it was hanging, you couldn't see it. The way the shadows in the booth sometimes, so we're just correcting an issue is all. Not a big deal. It's just part of it. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. And this color it's really transparent. So all it takes is just a slight miss and you're redoing it. This is one of those colors, if you don't have the value shade right, yeah, you're gonna look right. You put a lot of coats on. You would have to put a lot
Like we did on that those braces that I'm just going to paint.
Did you have to put a lot of coats on them?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if it's just weird because it's closer on the yellow side. So, and everybody that paints knows that yellow's a nightmare color. Because, well, it's almost impossible to hit yellow exact. You can get it close, but unless you paint it all at the same time, you usually have a vehicle. Even if you paint it with the same paint, same sealer, I don't care. It just seems like it doesn't match all the time, you know? It's yellow. It's a light pigment color. You can get them close, where I guess if you're not a painter, you won't see it, but if you are a painter, you'll laugh at it. You're like, man, look what that person did.
So I just take this off before
I wouldn't even do that. I would just leave it, go around. Or just take it. Just take it this way. Just take it off.
Just take them off.
Yeah. It's really hot outside. Just start the day at 84 degrees at 6 this morning. That's how hot it was. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna finalize this thing out today and tomorrow so it can go home. We gotta put side moldings on, finish the step on that side, put the hood back on. Just a little dinks and danks, and then we'll have her done. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. So follow along. It'll be just dandy. Yep. I'm wiping this stuff off, so I'd venture to say, I don't know what I'm doing actually, I'm just guessing. I'm putting the letters inside the tailgate. Trying to get the dirt out of there.